Hi, Lou Manfredini, Ace's home expert, and in this video, we're going to show you how to unclog a vanity sink. Okay, you really have several choices when it comes to clearing a vanity drain. You can try using a plunger, you can use drain opener, or you can use a drain snake. Now for the plunger, this is for demo purposes only on this sink. You'd have water in here that wouldn't be draining through there. You can take your plunger right over the top of this, and then just like you would a toilet, you want to push down and force that water down to the drain to try and clear it. And if you do this several times, it will loosen up and allow the water to come out of this sink, and you should be pretty successful using a plunger like this to clear the drain. The next option would be to use a drain opener. There are a lot of chemical options out there, whether they are liquid or crystal. What's very important when it comes to using chemical drain openers is that you are very deliberate about following the instructions on the bottle. In particular, what most of them will say is when you use this, you never want to use a plunger after you've used a chemical drain opener because there might be residuals inside there. You want to pour very carefully, you want to protect your hands, you want to protect your eyes, and if you do get a spill, wipe it up right away and rinse it. Okay, for a drain opener like this, you want to pour about 1/8 of a bottle in to the drain carefully and avoid splashing. Then, once you pour that in, you want to wait about 15 to 20 minutes to let the chemical drain opener kind of chew up and munch everything up there. And then from there, you turn the water on and rinse it through, and the drain should be open. When it comes to unclogging a vanity drain, the most important thing is that you have to remove this pop-up. Many times they just pull out like this, or there may be a rod underneath that you have to unscrew to release this so that you can expose the drain. Now you can try using a plunger first, but what we're going to illustrate here is the use of a drain snake. This is basically a metal wire or flat piece of metal with a little kind of, screw tip or spring tip on the end. And the idea behind this is that you're going to put this down inside the drain carefully, and it may kind of get caught as you put in there because you want to get down to that P-trap and keep working it. And you keep extending the drain, and then you want to spin it, and that little curly cue there can pull and grab any hair or gunk that's built up inside there, and then gently and slowly pull it out. Now this is a demo sink, so you're not going to see anything coming out here, but when you really come out, this will usually be loaded with the gunk and possibly hair that's been clogging the drain of the vanity. Then after that, turn on the water and you should be good to go. And that's it. For more information, go to acehardware.com and please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful videos. Or better yet, stop by your local Ace Hardware store because Ace is the helpful place.